Wow, Bitcoin finally hits 100K. This is what so many people in the crypto space have been waiting for the past like 5 years, 10 years. This is remarkable in the crypto space. There are so many people out there right now who are celebrating, who are dancing, including me. I'm happy because there are people out there who were looking at cryptocurrency as this is bullshit. This is nothing. This is you're gonna lose your money in this. But for some reasons, Bitcoin always proves everyone who don't believe in Bitcoin or who don't believe in crypto wrong. Cryptocurrency is here for the people. It's here to stay. It's freedom. Bitcoin is freedom. This is the only asset class that can change the life of anyone out there if you know what you're doing. I know most of you who don't understand what I'm saying will not buy into what I'm about to say today, but I'm going to say it anyway because I am here for those who really want to build life changing wealth. This industry is here to stay, it's not going anywhere. We are here to stay. So I want to work with people who have that mindset that they are going to use this industry to build the world that they were not able to build, like from any industry, or they haven't been exposed to ever since they were born. The opportunity in this space is endless. Look at what has happened with altcoins. So many altcoins out there are plunging upward like crazy. If we hop right now to crypto bubbles, you're gonna see how coins are doing so well. Like almost everything is doing well. Look at the percentage for the month, for the week. Look at the month. Look at like guys. Look at this from the top 100 coins. Look at these gains that you can find on this. Like guys, if you invested just if you bought just the top 100 coins, look at the gain share for the past month, 200%. which which bank, which industry can give you such a gain? None out there, none. And most of these coins, we have been talking about it on this platform, sharing with you how to identify real coins, how to identify coins that have potential, how to DCA these coins. If you have been spending the last 4 years DCAing these coins, buying these coins, having a strategy that works, that makes you money over a long period of time, you would have been super profitable right now because your dollar value would have been skyrocketed like that, just like that in no time. So, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys, like, we're going to go through some altcoins that I think are going to move like crazy, and I'm going to share with you guys some altcoins that haven't yet really moved at all. We're going to do it together. I don't know most of these altcoins. I'm going to do the research with you guys together. I'm going to show you guys or tell you guys what I'm looking at on these coins. And I'm going to be looking at these coins mostly on the weekly time frame. When we are when we are in the bull market, we focus more on higher time frame because everything is focusing on long term. 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, the alt season is gonna be here for like 4, 5, 6 months. No one knows. It can be here 2 years, no one knows. But what I don't know is I have a strategy that helps me understand what I need to buy at what point in time and what I need to sell at what point in time and what I need to stay away from at what point in time. That's why in my VIP community, I try as hard as possible to help them get coins that might about to pump or that is about to pump within, let's say, 2, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. There's not any specific day that this coin gonna pump. No, but the structure proves that or shows that this coin might pump, right? So we work based on probabilities. If I have high probability that this coin might pump, I want to share with my community, and most of the time, I get it right. And today, I want you to actually take this video as if your life depends on it. Because I'm going to teach you psychology. I'm going to teach you which coin you're going to be holding. I'm going to teach you like so many things that you have not been exposed from in this space. And you might be there thinking, oh, you know everything. Trust me, I myself, I don't know everything. But what I didn't know, I've built something out of it. And what you do know, I want you to build something out of it. And every day you keep adding your things on it. Now, we're going to begin with this. I want you to, first of all, imagine yourself that you are going to be a multi-millionaire in the future if, say, you have a strategy, a plan that you follow every now and then. You will become a multi-millionaire in the crypto space. Why? Because this is just a $3 trillion market cap industry. We have gold. Gold is about, is this 14 trillion, 10 trillion, right? Something like that. And Bitcoin is just this trillion, like only this trillion. We have the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, trillions of dollars. We have Facebook, trillion, Tesla, trillion, and Nvidia, trillion, real estate, trillion. Guys, imagine that if, say, most of, like, they just say 10% of every asset class is brought into Bitcoin. You think the 3 trillion you're seeing right now is going to be the same 3 trillion? No, of course, my friend. You're going to see Bitcoin market cap or crypto market cap go right up to more than 7 trillion. What we are seeing here at this point in time for the entire crypto market cap and Bitcoin is going to 10x. I say 10x. Now, if we're going to see the cap of Bitcoin go right up to, let's say, 4 trillion, what do you think will be the cap of total altcoins? What do you think is going to be the cap of your altcoins? These are the things you need to be thinking in your brain. Stop looking at the price. I want to get this money now. No, look at the future. Build your mindset to focus on what is coming in the future. And this will help you to understand what you're going to be buying at what point in time. Don't say to yourself, like, this is now. You want to buy this coin right now? And no, no. This coin will come and go. We're going to see innovation, AI, some like new technologies come on board in this space, creating more opportunities using the blockchain. And we are going to be the guys who are established in the space because we are the pioneers. Crypto is just 13 years old. What if crypto goes to, let's say, it stays here for the next 50 years? How old are you? What plans do you have in this industry? This is just the beginning. You are at a phase where you should be educating yourself more. Put yourself to test. Whatever you are buying, ask yourself, why am I buying this coin? Don't focus on what the distraction out there that people will say, this is better than this. This is no coin is better than any coin. The coin which is good, which is better, is a coin that have liquidity, or that is, or that the market makers are there to move price up and down, have high volume. So if your coin doesn't have high volume, no liquidity, not enough liquidity, no community, if your check of what makes a coin a good coin isn't there, then that coin you don't invest in it. So you build your why. Why buy? Why don't buy? Not what you want to buy. No, it's not about what you want to buy. It's about why you want to buy what you want to buy. Okay, so if your strategy is to buy Bitcoin, why Bitcoin? Because of this. If your strategy is to make Ethereum, why Ethereum? Because of this. Now, when you have or when you develop such mindset, whatever you buy, you don't know when to get out. No one is gonna influence you to like, oh, the market is dumping. That's why, guys, you see, if you have been here with me long enough, you understand that when there's so much noise in the market, thought in the market, I don't speak so much. I go to my quiet corner and I examine the market on the higher time, and I come to you guys and tell you guys that wow, this is what can happen. This is what will happen. And because of my experience in this space, I'm able to build that shield that I don't go and look out there to want to do something else that someone else is saying to me, but I gotta focus on my strategy, my plan, my goals, what I want to achieve in this space. This is what is important to me. And for those of you out there who are still doubting cryptocurrency, who still think maybe you're giving it a try, like, oh, can this work, or is this gonna work for me? I'm telling you today, this is a life changing industry, and you need to put everything you got. Learn, study, forget about just buy because you want to make cash. Focus on the knowledge. When you have the knowledge, let's say, for example, guys, you have just $100. I prefer you take that $100 and pay for knowledge. Pay for knowledge or create time. If you don't have one, create time and learn, study, go on YouTube, watch my videos, and you are gonna like be wow because the truth and the knowledge I've spilled out there on my channel is like it's fantastic. Like, guys, my channel in the future or my videos in the future are gonna be one of the top videos in this space because I am on point with my analysis. I have to make you guys understand this. I'm not here to tell you you're gonna become a millionaire or to tell you you're gonna become this or that. I'm here to give you an opportunity through my experience, through data that has been proven to be right for the past 13 years that this industry is here to stay. And if I start seeing big fish or big dogs in the industry, institutions coming on board, buying these bad boys, buying these coins, holding them, putting them on their balance sheet, then who are you? You are nothing. You are just air. You are nothing because you got no liquidity in the market. Those who have liquidity move the market, and you who have got nothing, you are there like, oh, you have nothing, so you got nothing to lose. Okay, they have everything to lose. You got nothing to lose. So when you are buying anything, ask yourself why you are buying it. When are you gonna buy? When are you gonna buy it? How long are you gonna hold it when you buy it? How are you gonna keep the money? When are you gonna exit this market? What is it about this market? You need to have all of this knowledge in play. If you don't have all of this knowledge in play, trust me, trust me. Whatever you do here, you're wasting your time. Okay. First, this is the mentality you need to get first. Okay. Now, for you to be able to know what you have to buy or what you must buy, you must understand two things: fundamentals and TA. Well, you might understand fundamentals, which is enough, okay, and you might understand only TA, which is enough. So both of them is enough. Now, if you understand like all of them, then you are an alpha in the space. For example, someone who's an investor, right? They invest only in Bitcoin. They don't care about anything else. Then they just like they have metrics what they look at. Before they buy, they have educated themselves fundamentally to look at the fundamental of Bitcoin to know, okay, Bitcoin is like this after every 4 years. This is what happens, or Bitcoin is the future. It has to demand, so they understand the properties of Bitcoin. They have read everything about Bitcoin, right? Now they are buying Bitcoin not based on the chart of Bitcoin, but based on past performance, based on what Bitcoin what why it was created or why it was established. Now, if say that person goes to learn more about the behavior of investor who are buying of the investors who are buying that Bitcoin, because TA explains or give us or show us the behavior of investors who are buying or traders who are trading that asset. So they can now combine the two of it and become alpha in the space. So they're gonna be like knowing exactly which zones to DCA their portfolio, add more to your portfolio, and which zones to be able to like exit the market, like take out some profit, divert into other asset class, and keep making more money. So this is the advantages and disadvantages of knowing just one and knowing all of them. And have all of them embedded in my brain. I understand, or I know fundamentals. I know how to research fundamentals. I know how to do TA, and I want to impact this on you. That's why I have my complete education for beginners, one-on-one session. I teach you TA. I teach you everything you need to know about crypto because I am a crypto expert. I am a crypto expert, and I can tell you or I can teach you what you should do. Not tell you, I cannot tell you. I can teach you, I can educate you. Okay. And I don't give you advice. No, I give you data, I give you education, and from your education, you can decide which path to take. That's the beauty of education. Once you have it in your brain, no one can take it from you. No one can take it from you. And once you have this knowledge, trust me, like guys, whenever I see any chat in front of me, I already know what's going on. I know, like, I've looked at more than like 10,000 chats, like 10,000 times. Like it's like it's playing in my brain. I can just look at it and know what's going on that chat, right? That's how good I have become because I have learned to take out time to study, to learn, to become an expert in the game. Okay, and this same knowledge, I want to impact it to you. I want you to be able to do this the right way. Okay, like I can take $100 right now and turn it into something else just like that because I can go to the market and fish and know what to buy. That's the beauty of TA. Now, talking about what to buy, Bitcoin has hit 100K. There are coins right now that haven't really done well, and there are coins that have done so well. The question is, which coin to buy right now? I'm gonna share this with you guys. I'm not a greedy person, right? Even though most of you don't want to join my VIP group. By the way, if you want to join my VIP group, hop at the description of this video. You're gonna find my link tree. This is my link tree, and once you study on my link tree, you stumble on my once you stumble on my link tree, you're gonna either join my VIP group or join the BETONG Crypto Education for Beginners. So either of this link is fine for you, or if you want the portfolio management. But by the way, guys, if you join my Crypto Education for Beginners, you're gonna have access to portfolio and VIP access as well. So this education, complete education for beginners, it involves everything. So if you click on that, it's gonna take you to this interface here where you're gonna join my community. That is that simple. Or if you want to join my VIP, just click on this link that says join my VIP group, and it's gonna take you to this other link to join my VIP group. So that's that. Now let's dive into um let me just show you guys where we are right now with Bitcoin. We are here, and if we look at this liquidity heat map, which is one of my top heat map, from here there's nothing really happening above, right? Above price. So Bitcoin can go right up to about $108,000 or $115,000. My target, I've mentioned this a long time ago, that Bitcoin can go to $115,000 based on the previous movement, and from there we're gonna start seeing some sort of movement in the market. And also there are some couple of charts here that I have been looking at recently, and they are very important. And this chart, crypto, like total tree, that this is these are all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the reason why I'm saying this is because price is at a resistance level, so we might expect some the altcoin market to move sideways like a little bit to 1 trillion before going back up to go make more higher highs. I think we're gonna see the next high for the altcoin market soon. Total trade means all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if we look at other market, like um, all the coins out there excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the top 10 cryptocurrencies, you're gonna see that this chart also is at this level. this resistance level, which is crucial. So we're gonna see most altcoins out there, or the altcoin market just move sideways, or retrace back from here. If say it's not gonna make the next all-time high, it's very important you understand. So I recommend those of you who are watching me right now, or those of you going to watch me later on, to catch out some profit from your altcoins. Don't just leave it like that. Now is the time to catch out some profit. And if you see break of this structure here above, if price is gonna break this structure here above, then you know that this market cap can fly, go right up to about $1 billion. But how are we gonna know if this is possible, right? This is what I do. I just bring in this tool, like from what happened in the past, you know. So I try to bring in this measurement tool from here. I pluck it from here to the top side, to the previous high. Then now I bring the bar from this move here, you know, so it's gonna give me where we might be heading towards, right? So let me just assume this is where the move started, and let's see where we are heading towards from there. Yeah, so we are heading towards, I think I should be doing it like this. Let me see. Should be like this. Yeah. So we can this can go right up to almost 1 trillion. Yeah, and it makes sense exactly around this area here. So let me just mark this for future reference, to tell you guys that I told you so. So this is gonna be the target where I'm gonna start looking at taking out profit from most of my, like selling at least more than half of my position from all the altcoins out there. So this is what I'm looking at. Like, if I see this price like break of the structure, I know we're gonna pump right up to this zone here. So that's my play. That's my strategy. My strategy. I don't know about yours, but this is what I'm gonna be doing, and it's gonna be the same. If you look at total two, you're gonna see. It's like, if you do the same thing, take you to, let's say from here. Let me take this instead from this zone here, so I can be more conservative with my. Let me take it from here instead. Let me see break of structure here. So let's say this is the area here from here to top. So let me take it the same way from here to top. So let's assume that this is gonna be the break of structure here. So we're gonna get to how many trillion? Let me see. About almost 2 trillion. Yeah. So let me do this again in another way. Maybe it might be more better to do it this way. Let me see. Um, from this, let me mark it in a more decent way from here. No, not this, like this. Where is this my measurement tool? I guess this should be the one. Okay. Yeah, it should be the one. So let me see. Oh, yeah, guy, you can see almost the same. Like, we're gonna go to about, this is gonna be how we go to. So we're gonna head to about 1 trillion. So this is gonna be my target for the altcoin market. This is gonna be my target around two point, yeah, two, let me say 2 trillion. I'm gonna take it at 2 trillion, but I'm not gonna wait for it to get there. So this is what I'm gonna be looking at, or what I'm looking at. Then, if say the worst case scenario, we can see the outcome market goes to 3 trillion. So to 3 trillion. So if it breaks this level and keep trading above this level, then I think it can go right up to 3 trillion. Right. So this is, it's just simple. You can just block it. It's based on the previous data, So let's see what happens with altcoins. The altcoin market. We don't know what going to happen this bull market. This could be the biggest bull market you've ever experienced, or you've ever heard of. So now, talking about which coins to buy, let's get into it quickly. By the way, guys, if you are watching, you are enjoying, give me a thumbs up, or you type one. If you are enjoying the show, you type one. If you're not enjoying the show, type zero, like zero. Now I'm gonna begin with some AI coins. Okay. Oh boy, let me. I've done something here, and What did I do here? Anyway, let's begin. I've done something here, and my if I reduce my okay, I think it's now okay. All right. Let's begin with some AI coins right now. Uh, now, guys, I'm gonna be analyzing these coins on the weekly time frame. Okay, and there are some stuff I'm gonna show you guys. Why I say why I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say. Right, like okay, why I'm gonna buy it. Now, this is CGPT, and I think CGPT is at a crucial resistance level and it's a buy. Okay. Now you can either DCA from this zone on the you can start buying now with your profit. Let's say you haven't bought this coin yet. You can start buying the coin right now with your profit, which is okay. I think it's okay because why? You see, you look at this huge candle to the upside, this green candle, and look at this previous candle. It's if you go to the daily time frame, you're gonna see something here. Look at this week here. It shows that there we have gotten some sort of retracement, and you can see it more on the 4 hours time frame. You can see it more that we pump and we retrace, and we are above this line, this moving average. So it's still we still have an opportunity here for this coin, and if say the coin have to bounce from any time frame or from any angle, should be bouncing from here, and this moving average is still far away. So this moving average is acting like the 50-day moving average, so it's still far away. And I don't think it's not like just move straight away. It can still move straight away, but we're gonna see a huge buyback to the upside. Okay, so looking at the weekly time frame, I would say that CGPT is one of my AI coin that you should be buying. You know, another coin here that well, this one is a little bit more risky. It has already pumped. I caught the pump. I talked about it when it was still down here, and I was in it. I know how the coin moves, so I bought it anyway, and it's also at this resistance level. But I will not tell you to actually buy this coin right now. Until you will see some sort of reaction in the market. But for those of you who want to take some sort of risks on the upside for this coin can pay out so badly. It has already recovered half of this previous move. So but what I do know is the coin is gonna go up, like target this zone here, but I don't know exactly when it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna target this high here. What I don't know is exactly when it will happen. The coin has done it before, like one, two. So what makes you think you won't do it the third time? The same investors are gonna come back to pump it to the upside. So I think this is gonna be the reason why you should be buying the coin, and that's the reason why I'm buying it. Now, why am I holding this coin? We saw this huge dip from the upside to the downside, right? It came back to this area here. Let's say this support zone. Now, this is the first pullback, one, two, three. Usually, when we see pullback like this, it happens in three, like with three candles on the weekly time frame. You're gonna see one, two, three long candles, and if we see the next candle or the final candle, it should take us here to this zone. So that's the area where I'm gonna be taking most of my profit. I'm still in the coin, so this is gonna be my area to take most of my profit. Because usually, as I mentioned, this week, let's see where this week candle is gonna close. From there, I think it's gonna take us to this other high before we start seeing some sort of rejection sideways a little bit. Then the next high to this area, or it can just go straight away. So it can happen. This is AI. It can happen. Now let's get to the next area. This AI coin is CHRP, Chapley. The first one was CGPT. The second one is Fed. Okay. Okay. Now, I would say that Fed is recovering and haven't yet even gone to anywhere. Okay. We are looking at it on the week time frame again. Now, we saw this pump to the upside, and what happened? Whenever we see a pump, there's always retest to structure because structure was broken. And immediately it was broken, price had to come back there to retest it, and now price is going to target again the previous high, which is at $3. So if you're looking for something to really make you some quick gains, then this could be a coin you can start DCA in, because if say let's say we want to see some sort of pullback, it wouldn't be that significant. Let's say how many percent pullback. Let me just say from here it could be just let me just bring in my FIP tool to give me exactly where I should expect pullback from this move to the upside. For Fed, it's simple. You bring in the FIP tool from this bottom here, take it to the upside. So if you're gonna see retracement, it's gonna be around these zones here. Let's see how many percentage. If that's gonna be, if we're gonna see that, let's say, yeah, 20%, 25%. Yeah, the most is gonna be about 40%, but it's gonna be worth it. If say you're playing the long game. So if you can take a 40% hit in this coin, then you buy back with, let's say for example you have $100, right? You can buy it for like $60, $60, and if you see this dip, then you buy it with the rest, right? Because we know that the upside is really awesome for the coin. We are in the off season for sure, so this is gonna be the biggest play in the space. These big guys are gonna be one of the biggest play in the space. Now we have this other coin. Is how it hasn't yet broken structure. This is Numere. Numere. It's an AI coin. It's still at a zone where I would say buy. Okay, why? Because we are at this resistance here. Previous level is being respected. So from here, what will happen? Prices are going to break straight to the upside. Price is still trying, like at the discovery stage, right? Still trying to break the structure, then pump toward this area. And how many percent that's going to be? If say we see a breakout from here to the top of that zone, that's going to be more than 20%. So this is what you can make from this coin, and this makes sense. Usually, guys, when I see a pump like this, I cash out my profit instantly and get to the next thing, which has retraced or which is about to pump. There are many coins that are already pumped. Now they are retracing for other coins to take their place, and when they pump, they retrace for the next coin to pump. That's just how it works in the space. If you understand that, then you don't stay in one coin for long, except the coin is your investment coin. Okay, I've talked more about this. The differences between investment coin and trading coin. Your trading coin is like your business, while investment coin is like you're building wealth. Yeah, it's wealth, building of wealth for the future. No one sells their investment. People borrow against their investment. Where you can sell your business. You can sell your business and buy an investment, right? So you can sell the coin that you consider as your business. I teach this in my complete educational session. So if you're interested, hop there and register to my complete educational session, one-on-one with you, until you get that knowledge. I take it for 6 months, for 3 months with you, so you can learn. At least 3 months is reasonable for you to build something sustainable for yourself. So this is the coin MNMRUSDT. So Numere. That's the coin. The next I'm looking at here, I share this coin um with my VIP group. By the way, guys, you can buy this coin, but you won't know when to actually get out. Or even though I'm saying this to you, but you won't have that knowledge to go and look at the chart to say, oh, the button said, time will catch you. So that's why I recommend you be part of my VIP to get that instant buy sell signal alert whenever I buy and sell something. And also, I'm gonna do analysis for you. So join my VIP group. It's the same link. Go to this link here, join my VIP group, and you are going to be part of that buy, sell, take profit signal community. So this is what I'm looking at, and this coin is going to be one of my play. By the way, I try to look at the exchanges to buy this coin. I realized that I can only buy it from Mexi Global, Get.io. So I'm still going to check. I have not trade on my Mexi Global account for a while now. I want to start building a new portfolio on Mexico Bar. I want to start that portfolio with $100 and take it to $1,000. You know, so I've done that with with many of my accounts. So it's not something which is it's not something which is new, to me. It's something which is like I do it like that. So the DK is the next coin that you should be looking at. DK, and it's more of a logistic coin. The next coin I should be looking at. This one has already pumped. This is GRT, but if I zoom out, you'll see that it hasn't really yet gone and make higher highs from this previous high. So it hasn't really yet like pump as per pump. GRT hasn't yet pumped. Okay, so if I'm you, I'm gonna look at this long term because look at the liquidity here. Look at the upside. If you have seen Bitcoin goes to the all time high, and you're seeing most other top altcoins doing so great, what about this? This is just a starting point. Like all the pumps you have seen recently, it's nothing. It's nothing. We're gonna see most of these coins go and create even more higher highs. Okay, so GRT is a top play, guys. When I share this coin, I'm not saying you should go and buy everything. Okay, again, why are you buying the coins? If you don't know why you are buying the coins, it means you're gambling, which is not good. And for if say you must gamble, then at least try to be among my buy and sell or part of my buy and sell community so that you be gambling with me instead. And then you have guarantee that you are gambling with someone who knows what they are doing. All right, so okay, I'm gonna gamble, I'm gonna bet that the better knows what he's doing, then it means what he's gonna be saying to me is gonna be okay, since I don't have that knowledge. Rather than you go and buy right now without knowing what you're buying, why you're buying it doesn't make any sense, right? I'm just trying to be reasonable here, to speak the truth to you, to your face, that if you don't know what you're buying, if you're still like that guy who is just here to make quick buck, to make money, then you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time because you are missing out on so much in the space. There's so much money to be made here. And if say you come in with that open mindset to learn, to say, okay, I have found my own industry to make some quick money, to make quick money, fast money, and build world at the same time. See, invest, trade, you do all this good stuff at the same time. If say you are that person, then good, join my complete education for beginners. I'm gonna help you navigate the entire space accordingly. So GRT is one of those coin. I would say Tao, but Tao is good. Bitensor, it is good. It's good, but it would have been okay to buy the right, to buy Tao. Yeah, Tao is not pump from there, but the upside for Tao, it's not much again as compared to the other coins I'm going to share with you or the coins I've already shared with you. You would have bought Tao yeah already, like weeks ago when you saw this pullback. You have bought it yeah. Why? When when we were pumping yeah, this was the area that we saw pullback and the retracement. Yeah, first rejection, second rejection, and third rejection. That would have been a signal for you that price don't want to go below this zone. So that's just how it is. I just look at it and read it and then buy it same year. If you see one, two, three rejection to the downside, it means price don't want to go below. Then expect price to pump at least. If price is not able to go and make higher highs from the previous low, then that's when you start being concerned. But I will not say buy it out now because except you are already in it. You can just use the other coins to make more Tau or more Bitcoin, so that's good. But I will not say like it's not a coin to buy for me at this point in time. Yeah, this one, Ali is in a buy zone. Why? Because Ali is at this resistance level right now after this pump, which hasn't yet gone anywhere. It's been normal. So from this zone, what do you think will happen? Huge pump to the upside, like straight right up. And look at the liquidity here. So you can miss this pump from the downside to the upside to give you more confirmation that we are back in the all season. And now that we sorry, my I freeze, but you must be someone who is experienced in the space. I've been talking about Tau. That Tau potential is at a good zone to buy. Right now, it's at this resistance level. not Tao. Sorry, I have to talk about Tao now. I'm a little bit backward. Let me get back to where I am. I'm talking about Ali. Ali, Ali. Ali is at this resistance level right now, and I'm buying Ali, or I'm recommending Ali to you, even though it's not financial advice, because this pump is nothing as compared to what you're gonna have above here, above price. The liquidity here is so much. So if Ali is gonna break structure here, where do you think it's gonna go? Right up, right straight to the upside, and you can miss out from this. Like you can miss out this minor pump to the upside towards this resistance level. Then you buy it from there. Even though they say don't buy when the price is popping, but if you zoom out on the weekly time frame and you play the long term game, then you will not focus on what will happen on lower time frame, because your mind is on the higher time frame, right? So if say you focus on this time frame like me, I focus mostly on the lower time, on the higher time frame. I would have bought this coin a long time ago, but this coin is not part of my coin, like my main coins, right? I just look at these coins as my product that I want to make money from. I want to buy and sell it, you know. So these are my businesses. I look at these coins as my businesses. I make money from these coins and buy my investment, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. So that's the gameplay here. Now the next coins I want you to look at is this ING. No, not this one. And I don't want to talk about this one right now. Yeah, this is the killer one. Looks rare. This is an NFT platform, and we have seen how, well, we saw how NFTs were a thing last cycle, and this cycle NFTs haven't really done well. So I'm expecting this coin to really pump, you know, and make us real good gains. Okay, so you can look at this coin haven't really done anything. Like I'm holding it. It pumped first and make some money. I sold some of it already. So I think I'm almost about to break even. Then I just allow what I got there, or what I put my initial capital at, and allow it to flow. All right. So what I do, guys, is, let's say for example, I want to invest in this coin with $100. I'm not able to speak now. At times when I speak fast, I'm not able to. So let me slow down a little bit. If I have $100 I want to invest in any coin, I first of all buy the coin, let's say with $60 or $70. I keep 40 aside or 30 aside. Why? Because I want to buy break of structure or pullback. So if say price gonna break structure, if I buy when price is at a level and attempting to break structure, I can buy when price breaks structure, or when price reverse back to where I bought it before. So usually when price breaks structure, price come back to retest structure. It could be maybe the next 5, 10 years, or 2 years, or 6 months. Well, what I mean to say is price is gonna come back and retest structure. That was just an aside. But when price retest structure, I buy with the rest of what I have. Right. So if say the rest was $30, I buy it with $30. Or if it is $40, I buy it with $40. So that's just the game I play. Yeah. So that's the looks rare. The next one here I got is Alephium. Alephium is an AI coin, and also a gaming coin, I think, something like that. But look at where we are right now. Nowhere. Just recovering back to this resistance. So most of these coins that we have talked about here are at their resistance level, right? And if they break the resistance level on this time frame, oh boy, they're gonna fly. Okay, so pay attention to that. Okay, the next one is Planet. Wow, I bought this coin just now. Okay, not long ago I bought it, because I think, if like I looked at the cap and I saw how, like, it was 3 million before, and I saw it went to 4 million. I'm like, okay, then the volume increased. I'm like, maybe this coin want to pump as well, so I bought some. I played the same game I mentioned to you guys. I wanted to buy it with some amount of money, and I bought it with just about 60% of it. Then the rest I want to buy it afterward. I see break of structure. But I think it's gonna pump somehow. I don't know how, but it's gonna pump like crazy. And if it's gonna pump, this is where I'm looking at for it to cool down. Because from where it is right now to right up to this zone, there's nothing stopping the coin to just pump straight right up here. So from here to that zone, gonna be how many percent? About 8x. Yeah. So yeah, that's just how it is. If you play the game well, you make money. If you don't play it well, you don't make money. But I'm just um saying to myself, this coin should actually be, yeah, it should pump. Okay. And I'm looking at this now on the 5-day time frame. So yeah, this is it on the weekly time frame. Yeah, you can see, guys. I mean, it's clear that if say we're gonna see any sort of pump, then this is where we should expect. Let me try to bring in the Fibonacci tool to confirm if this is right. Let's see. Yeah, I'm right. So if we're gonna see the next, yeah, this is gonna be the zone to look at for profit. It's clear, this zone here. you know. So if you're gonna be buying this coin, then you can already mark these areas and see where you can cash out some profit there. So that's what I think is gonna happen to this. Which coin I have here? Core. Core is another coin. Guys, I have many of these coins I want to share with you guys today. Core is another coin. I'm gonna go fast now. Fast. Core. So the same thing I've been talking about the previous coins, just apply there, resistance, support, all the stuff. Look at where it is right now and look at where it stayed before. And the upside is gonna be awesome for core. Right? DSY is already pumped, so this is a no-go area. This one is no-go area. No-go area. No-go area. Well, yeah, this coin can give you some gains because look at what happened before, and pull back towards this level. So this can take you right up to it. It can make you some few gains. Let me see how, if say it goes back to the previous high. How we're talking about yeah, it's good, about almost 1x. It's almost good. It's good. We have more coins that can give us even awesome gains. Not this one. This one, yeah, can give you some gain, but it's at the resistance level right now, and that's already broken structure. Yeah, so this is a go zone. VRA is a go. You can buy VRA. I mean VRA. This one is a no go zone. Agi, let's see Agi. Yeah, Agi is a buy. You can buy Agi USD. Yeah, and yeah, guys, that's it. Those are the AI coins that you should be looking at. I'm not gonna make this coin to I'm not gonna make this live to be so long. You can see my lips is already dry and I feel a little bit tired. My lips is already dry and I feel a little bit tired and I don't have so many people here. I know you're gonna watch it later on, but I don't have much of you more of you here. Ali, yeah, you can buy Ali if you want. What coin? All right, guys. I have been live now for 48 minutes, which is awesome. Right? I don't want it to be so long. Hopefully this these coins will help you make some quick gains, make some life changing wealth. And I want to be on the other side waiting for you. If say you want to be part of my VIP, then you know what to do. Make sure you hop at the description of this video to find my link tree. Click there and I'm gonna smile with you as you'll be part of my VIP group. And if say you want to take your investment, your trading to the next level, you want to learn how to trade, then join my one-on-one not VIP, one-on-one sessions, and it's gonna cost you some amount of money to get me one-on-one. And now it's cheap. From next year, I'm gonna make it times two. I think times three the amount you're seeing right now. Because the value I give here is so much, and I've compared it with others out there. I see that they are giving like you are paying more to those guys who even don't even give you that much, But I give you so much, and I ask for less, which is not good for me, right? It's not good for my health. We are in the bull market, so I have to 3x my price as well because we are in the bull market. We are in the all season. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's it for today. Take care of yourself, make some money, take out some profit. That's what is important. And see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao. Peace.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break